What's going on? Alright, I've been growing my hair for a year, and I have yet to make a video about it, so I feel like I should do it right now. I got nothing else to do, so I did it from scratch. So growing this shit. I'm gonna throw some pictures in this motherfucker. That shit started growing. I was like, yeah. People call it the ugly stage and shit. I don't care. I still, nobody ever said, ugh, your head fucked up. I'm on top of you. Never got there, so I don't know exactly how the ugly stage was supposed to work. But I went through the shit like boss. You know what I mean? Huh? What? I'd been getting it braided. Not sure when that started. Do it. Alright, when I first started off, I wanted my shit to grow. I wanted to grow. I had to put a little plats in the shit. I wanted to grow. Alright, cool. Started growing. So I got somebody to start it off for me. Okay, they started it off. It was looking straight, but it would keep coming out because the type of hair I got, regular twist. Okay, that ain't working too well. I started going to Africans. I thought they knew what the fuck they was doing. Little did I know, these bitches just threw gel in my shit. It was like, yo, $50, send you on your way. The gel was all hard and shit when it dried. The little crusty shit started coming out my hair and shit. I ain't like that shit, not at all. After that, I got one of my friends to hook me up. She didn't really know what she was doing. She had a good gist of it. So I was straight, but I wasn't good. You know what I mean? So I was like, fuck it. I linked up with this chick I know to stay out of town. And she started hooking me up for a while. Then I couldn't go up to town no more because my car died. So I was like, fuck it, I gotta be local. Asked my homeboy, got dreads. Asked him where he go. He go to the salon. Like, word, give me that link. Start going there. Start getting my shit interlocked. That's when my shit started really locking the fuck up. Start getting interlocked because my shit would normally just come the fuck out. I'm like, yo, fuck. I stick a finger through it, that bitch almost come out, so I stop. I'm like, oh my god. I ain't want to take the dreads out, so I didn't know what was going on. I looked it up on the internet a while. Interlocking, regular twisting. They use the little tool. Stick it through. Just look it up. YouTube. And that bitch like, you know what I mean? I didn't think that type of grade of hair you got is a certain way you gotta lock your shit up. I didn't know. I thought you can do either way and it'll still work. Shit been growing and shit. I'm about to take these motherfuckers now. Cause I went to go get them done. Cause I asked her about it before, and she said, "Oh, I don't know how to do that. But I know somebody who does, who works here." I'm like, all right. Then I asked her again. She was like, I got you. I'm like, oh yeah? So she hooked me up, but the bitch kind of loose, so I'm going to take the hoe out. And that's just that. Hasn't grown for about a year. I don't know how long I'm going to let it grow, but I'm ready for that bitch to hit the shoulder, you know what I mean? But this is my dread journey, you know what I mean? So, Now I got my hair all out and shit. As you can probably tell, one side is fucking longer than the other. This side is the longest. And it kind of aggravates me that you can tell that motherfucker's longer. Even if I try to pull this shit down or something, still look longer. But anyway, I'm enjoying my little dreadhead life, you know, doing my thing with it. Ready to put that bitch in the ponytail, but it's not that long, so I don't think I could do it long enough. But I'm enjoying the little journey and whatnot. I'm gonna keep going with it. I'm gonna do my thing. You understand me? Come back. Don't go yet. Don't click that. I got some quick tips and shit. Alright, if you're gonna start dreads, do your research. Figure out what's going on with the dreads and shit like that. Figure out the type of dreads you want, size, all that shit. You know, because that matters. If you didn't know, it matters. You want to start it, man, do your research. Know what you about to do, know what you about to get into. And you'll be straight. Knowledge is power, ho. That's all I got. Matter of fact, that. Any more questions or whatnot, you might want to ask some shit. Put that bitch in the comments, you know what I mean? And do that. And if you want to know what I use to moisturize my motherfucking shit, ho, I just use that Jamaica Mango Lime spray. The motherfucking spray and shit. Bitch like, no itch. I just use that shit. That shit smell good too. That shit be feeling good when you spray it on me too. Shit, you see me? But that's all I got to say. That's all I got for you. Enjoy your shit if you gonna start it. Enjoy your shit if you got it. Hope this helps some people. If not, fuck it.
What's good, people? Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Remember to hit that like, that comment, that subscribe. Hit the bell. Make sure you get notified when it comes through. But this has been my first year. It was my first video. I had to redo it. I wasn't satisfied with how it really came out. Then YouTube copyright came through. I had to chop some music off. Then it fucked up my volume. Look, I did the best that I could with redoing it. So appreciate you for tuning in. You seeing this part, so you stuck to the last part. But until next time, it's your boy. Keep it locked, keep it healthy. Of course, you can look at the rest of the 9 years. But more videos to come every week. Stay tuned.